Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing data and power. Backup photos and contacts to Google Drive or a PC, then plug the phone in until at least 90% charged. Once done, free 2-3 GB internal storage by removing large apps. This avoids installer failures. Make sure Wi-Fi stays on and the SIM is present so carrier settings persist. You don't need full factory reset yet. Instead, prepare developer options and confirm OEM unlocking is off to preserve encryption, and you start the official OTA from Settings Software Update or use the Realme Updater app for local package installation. Begin with stable Wi-Fi and keep the device plugged in. The installer writes partitions and may reboot several times. Once the update downloads, tap Install and do not interrupt the process. Interruptions risk data loss. If you chose a downloaded package, verify its checksum first so the updater won't fail mid-write. After reboot, follow on-screen setup prompts. These reapply user settings without wiping data. When the phone boots into the updated OS, check apps and accounts. If performance is sluggish, clear the system cache from recovery. That preserves your slash data. Once done, make sure permissions and SIM settings are correct. If an update stalls or won't apply, use ADB sideload with a DB sideload file to push the package while aiming to keep user data intact. If nothing works, back up fully and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Then contact Realme support with build logs for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.